So Enoch Besemete Serum. You know every people Besemete. The Borla bed, it be like Nick you say my boys now, and they say be the almost everything be there and they chase. Then times now at the whole plenty. That be where the Borla bed names come up for we. It just feels right to add the Ayigbe to it. So my biggest fear has already manifested. That was me losing my mom. So yeah, right now I don't get fear. What actually gets me pissed is I don't know about people that take it to heart, like people that take Twitter seriously. If we are playing, we are joking, and somebody will come, your mother, your father, this, you know, get sense. Those people that can't differentiate trolling from what you actually mean. Be them, then they bore me. That is what gets me pissed off. And all that. So right now everybody's moving to social media. So the connects are there. So get on social media, then get your connections. Simple. SHS, Bando Senior High, aka Valley Side College. What made me okay? I used to tease people a lot, especially my classmates. I feel they tease the girls, make them they cry, Charlie. Me now, they laugh me plenty, say my head them are more Borla than things. So me, like, I make used to them. So me, if I they laugh with them, they talk then things, so they really do me anything. So like, I feel they tease the old school self. Okay, the thing where they turn me off on a lady part be say if in wig inside the male, Charlie, that thing their hair, wallahi, if in hair the male there, nah. Hey! Oh, Charlie, Mr. Chairman, I am standing for the motion breast is important than us. No food there, yo, hey. You see, breast, if you wait and take bomb you, if you then take put one and more inside, you understand? It be where we like we drink, you understand? So breast there be life, oh. Be life. Agrito. What's up? What's your name? Rama. Anyway, I'm Sarah, but they call me Ram also. So you are here?
Yes.
What level?
No, I'm doing entrance exam classes.
Entrance exam classes, okay. So can you kiss me for 100 days?
No, please.
Please, why? You're married. Hey! Oh, wow. Hello. Hi. Good afternoon. Please, I'm Sayram. What's your name?
I'm Constance.
Constance. Nice meeting you, Constance. Oh, come on.
I'm the hand, that's right.
Okay. What level are you?
Master's course.
Oh, okay. Please, like, can you kiss me for 100 days?
No.
Please, why not?
It can't be.
It can't be. Why can't it be?
If it's a billion.
A billion? You would have done it for a billion.
Why not?
Oh, okay.
Irene.
What? Irene. Okay. I'm Sayram.
Nice.
Okay, you don't shake hands. Oh, okay. So, I was wondering, like, can you kiss me for 100 days?
Can I?
Can you kiss me for 100 days? No, just... No. Why?
Why should I?
Okay. Hi, I'm Sayram.
Sorry?
I'm Sayram. Where are you going? You're in the shop. You work at the shop. Okay. Cool. So, can you kiss me for 100 days?
Sorry?
Can you kiss me for 100 days? Wait. Why can't you?
I can't.
Okay.